Now that you've chosen TECHGEAR tempered glass, let's guide you through the installation process. Clean your camera with provided wet wipe. Use the cleaning cloth to dry the surface. Begin by carefully peeling off the film from the bottom of the installation tray. Next, align the tray with your camera lens and gently press down to secure it firmly in place. Remove the tray to complete the installation. Fully covers the lens, providing protection against scratches, impacts, dust, and water. Designed to be case-friendly, it fits seamlessly with most phone cases. Maintain your device's original camera quality for sharp, high-definition photos, capturing every moment in true color and clarity, day and night.